Today, we're unboxing the HTVRONT manual hat heat press. Let's see what's inside this big box. Here's the user manual with detailed instructions and all the information you need about the machine. 5 suction cups are included to ensure the machine stays stable. And here's the star of the show, the HTVRONT manual hat heat press. Sleek and eye-catching. Two hat platens of different sizes are also included to suit various hat designs and ironing needs. These are all the accessories that come with the package. Take out 4 suction cups and attach them securely to keep the machine stable during operation. Store the spare suction cup carefully. Once assembled, set the desired temperature and let the machine preheat. Please wear heat-resistant gloves for safe operation. Load the hat onto the machine and place the design. Lower the hat stretcher and start ironing. When the countdown ends, the ironing is complete. Remove the hat. Once the temperature drops, cold or warm, peel off the carrier film. The machine remains stable throughout, and the finished product looks perfect.